Juice.
Light one and throw it in the pond.
Get some metallic sodium and throw it in there. It'll be homemade fireworks.
You don't have to see Papa.
Jennifer.
Oh, yeah.
I guess in New York, that's where Dina.
Oh, there it goes. I almost was.
Did he throw it over there?
No. People have there's always something.
Well, he's half drunk for one thing. So. I quit drinking 2 hours ago. But
Okay, I'm doing this.
he just makes so many mistakes when he's drunk. He just don't realize it. He makes enough because of his age, but...
Yeah, I'm running around there for the golf cart, and I came back no key, and he said Polaris. I'm like, you said golf cart. Usually I don't remember what they say, but I knew. Golf cart.
I'll throw it in front. Watch. She's watching.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it's not. It's cool though. Look, you see him? Look.
Like Roman candle.
Yeah. I saw some in
We used to hold them and shoot them at each other.
Yeah. Colin watches people on Facebook do stuff like that.
They had a bunch of them
No shooting each other.
on the news.
What did you say? The one shot a sparkler and the other guy?
Yeah, because they got like 40 or 50,000
Did you
likes.
see,
That was only like one
what
thing.
was it?
You just take rocks.
Oh, the one where the dog picks up the guy had the Roman candle, he set it down, the dog picks it up, start chasing the guy, and shooting that shit everywhere. Everybody's scattering. Well, I worked at Pike,
He's
we
launching
had
it.
an old boss that brought a bunch of them mortar rounds in, and was lighting them some bitches and just throwing them.
This is gonna be good for my vlog channel, July 4th of July fireworks.
Find out what time. I don't know what time they'll go at the park, but they'll be cleared out by the time we leave here. Hopefully. I don't want to go back roads home. Of course, after you do that, you really gotta watch the drugs. Mom, what? Don't stick your fingers in your mouth.
We're just going to mow our hayfield down. That guy said he didn't want it this year. Waited till right now to tell me. I said, well, I could have had 2 guys up the road running it. And I said, now they went somewhere else and got theirs. So we're just going to bush all it down.
Ready? He's starting another one. Ready? That was so far. That one else. So beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah. I just love fire.
Stick one of those in your zipper and let it shoot.
What'd he say?
I've been thinking about it.
That's all you can do is think about it.
I don't know. You don't know.
You see him running around. He just
said, shut up.
There's a lightning that was right behind him. They're not gonna want to work. Watch.
Oh. Dang it.
Okay.
I went
Clean the
to.
house down.
Okay. I'll get up then, because I ain't gonna be missing this on my vlog.
For the last 2 or 3 days, people have been shooting them off.
Yeah.
Got them off there and down over there. And kaboom, kaboom. But they don't start till 11 or 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Smell this.
Tish, am I staying until Saturday?
Whenever, don't matter.
I brought enough clothes for them,
No.
so brought like 4 outfits.
Nope. Oh.
Cherry Jolly Rancher.
I know it's not
It's
like
real
kind of
strong
cherry.
cherry. It covered up that cinnamon juice I had in there before.
I'm vlogging this. It's gonna be going on my vlog channel. You can, well, you technically can watch it anytime here because it'll be on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
You can watch fireworks anytime.
That was the back. That hurt.
Watch these all over again.
Say, dummy.
That's why I showed nobody's face because I don't know who wants to be on it. See, you want to be on it?
Because I can't.
No.
Okay.
Pages of dummy.
Smart.
Our face, dummy.
He's firing one.
Watch. Watch.
Oh.
That's a pretty one.
That's what it says.
Oh, yeah, you can see the spider.
Oh, easy.
See it?
Yeah,
Right there.
here too. I smoked
Oh.
sweating bugs.
No.
How long are you doing?
Not very long.
Mrs. Sixman.
It's already, I don't know what time.
It is 9:40.
Yeah, it's already 9:40. Here comes a good one. I thought that's
You ready, Action?
Now turn the brightness up. Hope I'm ready to get this.
We go over here on the other side of me.
Nah, I can get. If I can hold it still.
Yeah, but we'll see tonight, are you? There's a little piece burning. Look, look. Whoa. You see that? Piece is burning.
Oh, you dipped over.
I think it was on fire.
Oh, you can smell it.
Yeah, that's sulfur.
I hate that.
I'll tell you that. Ask Paige about smelling that sulfur from them guys shooting over across the road.
Oh, it stunk.
And you could hear the pellets hit the bird box out there. And she was just right 6 foot in front of it. Buddy, I told her to get up at the house. I cussed them people. And I should have just called sheriff. And they said, oh no,
That stuff stunk.
you don't know who it is. I said, by God, it's that brown truck that went down there. And they parked in that woods and walked down there. You could hear them laughing
Watch.
and giggling. It was 2 guys.
Yeah. They wouldn't have been giggling if they shot somebody.
Dude, well, I flipped out.
On the black.
On YouTube's I watch,
I wanted the black.
his brother, like, just started drinking and
So pretty.
doing drugs and crap.
Who did?
One YouTuber's brother I watch.
Oh.
YouTuber I watched his brother, and they came back, he was naked, had his pants on his head, back at their house, and their pool house that he'd been living in was torn up, and, like, police came to the hospital too. A couple hours later, he came back, he was freaking out there, flipping out, and, his girlfriend was out, YouTuber watched his girlfriend was out there, her dad was out there cleaning the pool house, and he went out there and punched her in the face a couple times, and, like, the YouTuber watch, he's
That's not somebody you know. That's just...
yeah, just a YouTuber.
Oh.
I mean, the guy,
Oh.
but the guy said, like, the YouTuber watch, he's big, like, so,
Yeah,
he charged his brother, and, like, he was gonna
You missed
beat
that one.
the living crap.
It was
I mean, he's gonna
Rosie
destroy
jumped
him.
when that one went off.
But then he grabbed a piece of glass and crap.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he was out there calling names saying, Angry Grandpa is another YouTuber. Angry Grandpa is a child molester. Well, he has custody of all kind, like 4 or 5 kids. And saying like they have sex with animals and stuff. And come on.
He's pervert, ain't he, Cole?
My My hurts. Hurts my knee.
Oh yeah, shoot. Look at those right-handers at home. Don't forget to let them go.
Hello. Hello, Tish.
Hello.
It's like great.
Ow! Get my hand.
Yes, you're welcome for us buying Paige a phone.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, when she's over here, she's driving Colin nuts, texting him and
Yeah.
shit.
I finally just tell her over and out or I'm done.
What's funny is because when you text, she don't have you as like a contact, so it's just your number, and it said, we're just skinny dipping in the pond. I'm like, I didn't know. She was like, who's randomly texting you that? Because she had like a weird look on her face. I'm like, who found your number and texted you that? And she was Tish. I'm like, oh
No,
my.
I like watching them videos on, or you'll see videos on YouTube and stuff. Somebody will type in the wrong number, send in nude pictures of themselves or something like that.
It got really dark.
Get up.
How are you gonna get up?
Because I want to see that.
Watch, I turn the brightness like way down. That's really dark.
Yeah.
And then I'll turn it all the way up. I don't think it makes a difference.
Your daddy's son that.
Yeah, I think so. Here.
Oh, here you go. He's launching it.
Amazing.
Echoing way back
He'll
there.
hear when he comes back up here.
I didn't think about it because Doug's probably letting a bunch of them off over there.
Yeah.
There's
Another one
there
coming.
already.
Another one coming.
Gary can't hear, and now it's gonna be like, what?
I know. There's another one coming.
This won't actually be a good video. It's already like almost 13
Look at
minutes.
there.
Oh, look over there.
Oh yeah.
And over there, and over there. I really wish you had some SFC 4th of July.
I watched something on TV where they were making fireworks, how they make them, and how they make all the different designs. It was interesting.
It's the
I
It
see
amazes
why.
me how they pack all that stuff in that little bit of space to make that stuff.
If you've seen how they make them, that explains why they're so expensive for the good ones. Because I mean, some of these were several $1,000s a piece.
Yeah. Well, I know one year my late husband and the guy that moved over this lake, they went in together and we got $2,000 worth of fireworks.
Oh, this was
But
one
he
firework was several
he got 'em.
$1,000s.
He got them.
Oh,
Got it.
got some over
I
there.
don't know where he got them, but I mean, that was back in the 90s, you know. And I mean, they weren't as high as what they are now, but still,
Those don't get one.
they set off a lot of fireworks.
Let's go. I don't know. I'm not able to do that. Hold on. Look up here. So you can be able to see. You ready? Oh, Jesus.
This gonna be actually good.
Those ones that go way up in the air, they're really expensive. Those ones like they got over there.
Yeah.
One of them little box things, they're $20 a
I
piece.
caught a toad.
Did you?
Oh, you said like when they did the fireworks.
That's that big one over there in the flower bed.
I know, it was over here. It might have
You
been. I don't know.
said those guys were over there like
Yeah, I caught a toad.
doing whatever they were. She got a gun and just was like, now what's funny?
Yeah, I said, you want me to go in and we'll have a shooting match. Buddy, I called them every name there was.
Got that
and-
pistol that Papa got not too long ago. That's loud.
And I told him, I said, I'm going to go to the house and get my gun. He said, no, don't do that. Don't call the sheriff. It'll be all right. I said, your granddaughter got shot. You think all right. By God, I went to the house and I just started shooting.
Yeah, if you would have said something, either I would have been there and be like, you know, Paige tries to be freaking nuts.
There's a pretty one coming
Somebody
over
does that
there,
crap, I swear.
maybe.
Oh.
You can go fight up, did it?
Yeah, I seen it in the corner of my eye. I was like, ah.
It did. It lit up good. Yeah, it was real pretty.
Like at the end of it. But I was, oh.
Let's watch. Yeah, watch.
Yeah, them big ones cost about $50 a piece.
Jeez.
Yeah, it was the big white one.
I'm still here.
But yeah, that
They
one.
was doing them over in here.
They would get like the loudest gun you have and be. Now
Saturday night, there's some
Ow.
up there. There's some up there.
Oh, I didn't get that. Oh well.
Oh.
Oh, that was on the line.
No, to be.
That's a big one.
Ooh.
There was someone.
Yeah, they're playing a crap ton over there.
Looking for.
I wish I can get anywhere and get both of them.
Mom, can you get all the cat speed?
I can get a little bit of it.
Two bird cat.
Oh,
It's gonna be pretty.
Two bird
That's
cat
pretty.
of one.
Ooh.
And then
and Papa was like, phew, phew. Like,
Addison. Annie.
come on, Papa, get back.
Hey.
Get some good ones going.
No, he didn't get that many. I gave him $100. Just go get a few small ones and.
Do you have a lighter?
That one was nice.
Do you have a lighter? That one's there.
Not in here. You just have to, maybe out on the grill. There might be one inside the door of the grill.
Okay.
Yeah, we did. We let one. Last one.
Last one and open this first. So you're gonna have to go ahead and help me.
I'm ready to go home.
Yeah.
I'm sleepy. I've had a long day.
Yeah.
Oh, it's worse on you sitting around than it is up doing shit. Tish will attest to that, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I just watched
I'd rather work all day than. Smoke on the water.
And like you can see it like pop, pop, pop.
50 shots in that.
There we go.
That was
And fireworks are over.
Yay!
Clap. I don't know how I got one yet. Okay.
now we gotta